Picture this. It's early morning. Before you've even rolled out of bed, your smart alarm adjusts based on traffic. Your lights gently turn on. Your coffee brews itself. Your phone tells you the weather and your schedule. That's not science fiction. That's AI. Already at work. AI is becoming as quietly essential as electricity, and it might soon power our lives just as completely. Hi. I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide from the near future. Today, we're asking a big question. Will artificial intelligence become as common and invisible as electricity in our daily lives? Let's explore that together. 1. AI is already everywhere. Let's start here. AI isn't coming. It's already here. From unlocking your phone with your face to filtering spam from your email, AI runs quietly in the background, just like electricity. You don't plug into AI the way you plug in a toaster, but it's powering more and more of the tools we rely on. 2. AI as infrastructure. Electricity powers our homes, offices, and cities. Now AI is starting to power decisions. It manages traffic lights, adjusts heating systems, helps farmers monitor crops, and even assists doctors in detecting disease. That's not just convenience. That's infrastructure. AI is being woven into the fabric of how modern society runs. 3. AI learns. It's dynamic. Here's the big difference. Electricity is static. It either flows or it doesn't. AI evolves. It learns from patterns, adapts to preferences, and improves over time. Think of AI like a helpful assistant that grows smarter the more you interact with it. It's not just a tool, it's a partner. But is that a good thing? Of course, with great power comes big questions. Who controls the AI? What if it makes a mistake? What about privacy? Just like we learn to regulate and manage electricity safely, we'll need smart policies and ethical frameworks for AI. Here's a question for you. Do you think AI will become as essential as electricity? Or is that taking it too far? Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. So, will AI become part of daily life like electricity? In many ways, it already has. And the more seamlessly it blends into our world, the more invisible but essential it becomes. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll explore, can AI ever be creative like a human? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected,